1.5 cups of passionfruit yogurt. Then add 1 passionfruit, just cut the top off and scoop what's in there straight out and in. Yum, yum, yum. Then throw in 1/3 cup of pitted dates, 1/2 cup of pitted prunes, cut up 1 plum, leave the skin on, put in 1/2 pear, 6 to 8 strawberries, 1 apple, cut up, skin left on, and 2 kiwi fruits, also cut up, but leave the skin on, this furry, hairy stuff. That's really good. Then throw in 1 cup of blueberries and 1/4 cup of flax seeds, also known as linseed. Now blend. If you have a blend deck like this is really awesome. Just press 2 for smoothie. If you don't, just have a regular blender and blend this on high for 30 to 60 seconds. Oh yeah.